What's up? So basically, I ordered this keyboard, and it's pretty nice. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and like a review thingy, and basically it'll be like 1 week of using this. So yeah. So I'm gonna unbox it in this clip, and yeah. So basically, what's included is I don't know how to say that word. Kynosa Chroma keyboard. I'm not even gonna try and say mouse pad, but it's a nice mouse pad, and the Death Adder essential for the mouse. So you see there, and it's some nice stuff. So I will be unboxing it today for you guys. So let's unbox it. Yeah, if I remember correctly, there's a little tab here that I can pull. But yeah, I'm excited. Okay, more cardboard. It's always good. But let's take out the. I'm pretty sure this is the mouse pad. So let's take. Oh no! Okay, whatever this is, let's take it out first. Oh yeah. So basically, with this thing, they gave you a free keychain. I take that out for you guys. And it says Chroma, so I might light up. Oh, and it shows the type of button it is, so, and it lights up every time you click it. That's cool. You might see me fiddling like that on stream later. But that's actually really cool. I might attach this to my bag or something. But it is nice. Yeah. Next up in this box, I have a sticker. I'll take that. And instructions. Who needs instructions? Ah! Okay. Oh, the mouse. Mouse, I do say so. It fits my hand pretty well, and it has side buttons too. Scroll wheel, obviously, but nice mouse. Put that to the side. Anything else in this box? In this box, I don't think there is. Yeah, it's just cardboard filler. And now, for the moment of truth. The keyboard. Okay. What you've all been waiting for. The best part. But click the. Oh no, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna ask you to smash that like button. I might ask you to gently tap the like button. Gently tap the like button, but. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is so nice. I'm gonna take the plastic off. I can just click that for hours. But this is the keyboard. It's not fully lit up yet, but yeah, there's little stands on the back and everything. You know, put your keyboard up there, play games. This is going to be amazing. So basically, yeah. This is very nice. Jeez. I did not expect it to be that nice. I'm going to do a 1 week review. So basically, I'm going to be using this for 1 week and all the stuff for 1 week when I game and when I stream and stuff. But yeah. I really like it, and geez. Yes, so I'm gonna use this for 1 week, and I will come back and do a review type of thing. This will be 1 second for you guys, but it'll be 1 week. That's kind of weird to say, but yeah, I'll see you guys in 1 week, guys. So I forgot one part. Here's my old mouse, but let me put that to the side. Yes, so I forgot one part is the mouse pad. I only did the little keychain guy and the mouse and the keyboard. But totally forgot the mouse pad. And this mouse pad is supposed to be like very smooth, and you can move well. Yeah, it looks nice. It's not huge, but it will definitely do the job. It'll definitely fit on my desk very nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, it fits on my desk very nice. I just went off camera for some reason. But it fits on my desk very nice, and it feels like it'll be a nice smooth material. And the back is pretty grippy. If I go up close. String on the mat, but now I'm going to install it. And oh yeah, I found one more feature about this little guy here. So if you hold it down, it'll change color. But I am going to install everything, but I'm going to install everything, and I will see you in a week. But see you guys next week, and yeah, I'll give you a review later. Hello everybody, it has been 1 week, and I'm going to do the review. So of the mousepad, mouse, and keyboard, I unboxed that all last week, and I'm going to do a genuine review. Okay, so let's start with the mousepad. The mousepad it's pretty wide. You can move around quite a bit, and I definitely like the mousepad a lot. One con about the mousepad though is it's not like you can move pretty smooth, but it's a little bit tough. It's not gripping, but it's almost like rubbing against the mat, and the mat's fibers or whatever are starting to poke out a tiny bit. But it's not very bad, and it's really smooth, and it's very nice to game with. And yeah. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the mouse. The mouse has little slidey things on the bottom that's meant for Razer mouse pads, and it is, if I remember this correctly, the sensor is 6,400 DPI, which is fairly good. It's not extremely elite, but yeah, because Razer makes ones that are 10,000, that type of thing. But it's not extremely like elite, but it's definitely, it tracks really well. And I also tested this, kind of. So basically, if you bring the mouse up off the ground a tiny bit, it still tracks really well, and that's definitely a con. One thing about the mouse, it does light up, but it's only green. So if you're going for a multicolor setup, I would not go with this mouse. I'd go for a Chroma RGB mouse, which has alternating colors, like the keyboard that I'll talk about later. But yeah, basically on the mouse, it's pretty standard. It has two buttons on the top, obviously. Has a scroll wheel. Scroll wheel isn't loud, which is very good. And there's nice side buttons. So basically with the side buttons, they're very helpful with games. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for is the keyboard. I'm definitely going to have a lot more to say about the keyboard, but the keyboard, okay, I'm going to start as the keyboard is very nice. I would recommend it if you're to buy it, but there is pros and there is cons as for everything that I got on this Razer setup. So with the keyboard, the buttons, they don't make a lot of noise. So yeah, the buttons don't make a lot of noise. Only if you're like pressing them very fast, they make a lot of noise. But that might be good for some people and they might not be good for others. But for me, I like, personally, I like it a little more quiet, and this keyboard is perfect for that. The buttons are they're easy to push down. But one thing that I noticed is at the beginning of when I was using it at the beginning of the week, when you press it, it was a little bit stiff, but now that I've been using it and playing video games and stuff, it has definitely loosened up a lot, and it's very nice to click, and yes. Now let's talk about the lighting on the keyboard. The lighting is alternating colors, which is RGB, and I personally really love the keyboard and the alternating colors. It feels really nice. But one thing, like I said before, it doesn't match the mouse, as the mouse is green and the keyboard is multicolored. That's one thing that I've noticed. But other than that, the keyboard is very nice. One thing that probably won't bug some people, but it kind of bugged me a tiny bit. It's a very big keyboard, and the escape button is kind of far from WASD. So it definitely, if you're gonna play a really fast game, then this probably isn't the best for you, as it's harder to move your hand around that fast. But it's definitely a personal preference. But the response time is very good and everything is very nice. Let's talk about what you need to install it. So basically, you can't just plug it in and go right away. You have to install this thing called Razer Synapse for it to work properly. And basically there's different settings, like you can hook it up to Alexa and hook it up to your apps, like different apps like Discord and that type of thing, where it'll do colors depending on what you're doing on those apps. And yeah, the Synapse is very easy. There's a little scroll thing that you can look at and see all the different things. The Synapse is mostly for the keyboard, but there is a feature where you can connect everything, so it feels really nice. But yeah, that's all I really had to say about this this keyboard, mouse, and mouse pad. They are very good products, but yeah, like I said with the mouse pad, it's pretty smooth, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching so very much. I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading much, but it's been hard with this whole thing that's been happening, and busy schedule and that type of thing, and I love playing video games and streaming and stuff. So that is definitely a thing that's happening, and I will definitely be trying to be a little more consistent on my YouTube channel. But thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!